judge looking for? The judge is looking what any judge looks for. Good posture, accuracy, and tight. Even though I might say that Pam described a little different than whoever, Miranda. You have a little bit of a different look on her. The judge knows when you are strong and when you're effective. This happens all the time in our junior instructors class. The judge picks those people she or he can tell who's right on. You know what I'm saying? If you get told they all have lots of hours to do that. And you know, you got to make yourself stronger and tighter. Yes, it is. Okay, let's go answer this direction. Sit.